Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Bitget Wallet account. So if you want to secure your Bitget wallet by backing it up, let me walk you through the steps. First, open the app and tap on the icon at the top left corner. Then, click on your wallet at the top right. You should see the backup option here. If it's not visible, tap on your wallet name at the top again and select Backup. Once you're there, scroll down and make sure to read the important information provided. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions by checking the box and then clicking Backup. Enter your account PIN when prompted. After that, tap the area to view your passphrase. Make sure to copy and save it somewhere safe. I won't show mine for privacy reasons. Finally, tap on Backup at the bottom right, enter your passphrase again, click Confirm, and your backup will be complete. It's very easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe.